Jai Mata Di everyone and a happy Navratri to all. Navratri, the 9 days festival, is observed in the honor of the divine feminine Devi, that is Durga. The festival is associated to the prominent battle that took place between Durga and the demon, that is Mahishasur, and is celebrated as the victory of good over evil. This festival is celebrated by Indians in each and every state, but it has special importance in some states like West Bengal, Gujarat, North India and South India.
Come to my home. Let us know how a ghat is happening. Please come in. All this ghat. So I have made this coconut as Swaroop or reincarnation of Ma. And these are basically the leaves which are intertwined together to make a plate. We have put mud in it and then we have sown the seeds because seeds show prosperity. So we have sown the seeds. I have got a prasad here. There is a jyot. This is basically called as a jyot. It's a light that is being lit for worshipping. That is Durga.
असतो मा sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Meaning of above line is, lead me from illusion to reality, lead me from ignorance to knowledge. As we all know that Diya has special significance in Navratri. There is a ritual of igniting an Akhanda Jyot or Akhanda Jyoti in Navratri. It symbolizes the desire to seek the blessings of Goddess Durga. Diya signifies purity, goodness, good luck and power. The presence of light means the non-existence of darkness and evil forces in the houses where the goddess is being worshipped during Navratri. So, we can say Akhanda Jyoti is victory of God over evil.
The image or the idol of Goddess Durga or Goddess Shakti is installed in front of the ghata. Near the image of the goddess, yantra is installed. Aarti is organized by lighting the lamps in the evening as well as in the morning. The lamp is kept lit for now all the 9 days. Many mantras are chanted for the puja. The famous mantra is Goddess Durga mantra. Flowers and prasad are offered to the gods. The ghata is kept moist, water is periodically sprinkled over it. Fresh garland and flowers are offered to the god every day throughout this occasion. The grains which were grown, they are cut and offered to the family members and neighbors and friends as well. A sweet dish called kadakni is also distributed.
Let's pray silently to all the 9 reincarnations of Ma Durga, the Adi Shakti. May we get prosperity, health, happiness and lots of love from Devi Durga. God bless all.
Navratri not only symbolizes the victory of goddess Durga over Mahishasur, but celebrates the spirit of Indian culture in togetherness. The sticks of Dandiya represent the sword of goddess Durga. So, Dandiya are being played during Navratri.
Many people fast here for 9 days to get the blessings of this goddess. The prayers are dedicated to a symbolic clay pot called Garbo or Garba. The word Garba comes from the Sanskrit word Garbha, meaning womb. Traditionally, the dance is performed by women in a circle around a clay pot with a lantern lit inside it and called Garbadi or womb lamp. Garba is danced around this symbol to honor the fact that all humans have the divine energy within themselves as that of a Devi. Garbas are performed barefoot to signify the respect for the earth upon which we people walk. Siddhi de, Ashtanava Nidhi de, Vanshame Vriddhi de, Bakabani, Bakabani, हृदय में ज्ञान दे, चित्त में ध्यान दे, अभय वरदान दे, शंभुराणी रे माँ, अभय वरदान दे, शंभुराणी। दुख को दूर कर, सुख भरपूर कर, आशा संपूर्ण कर, दास जानी। सजन सो हित दे, कुटुंब सो प्रीत दे, जगत में जीत दे, माँ भवानी रे माँ, जगत में जीत दे, माँ भवानी। जय अम्बे।